How acid rain affects plants. Rain is a natural part of the water cycle. But when harmful gases, like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, mix with rainwater, when it falls on plants, it affects their roots, soil nutrients, and leaf surfaces. It damages root hairs and washes away important minerals from the soil. Acid rain has a lower pH, usually below 5.6. If the pH goes below 4.0, the rain becomes very harmful. This can stop photosynthesis and even kill the plant if the acidity is strong. To protect plants, we must reduce air pollution and control emissions. Be green, our world.